If you are starting affiliate marketing, there is 90% chance you are about to make this mistake. And that's exactly why most people don't earn even their first dollar. I have made this mistake myself, and honestly, I wasted thousands of dollars because of this one mindset. Hi, this is Navjot Singh, and on this channel, I will help you build online income system using AI, SaaS, and automation. In today's video, I will walk you through the most common mistakes beginners make in affiliate marketing and how you can avoid them to get results faster. Number one mistake, buying too many tools, which we call shiny object syndrome. The biggest mistake, buying every new tool you see. New funnel builder, bought. New email tool, bought. Lifetime deal, bought. Result, money wasted. Tool, unused. More confusion. I personally spent thousands of dollars on tools thinking I had used them someday. But reality, tool don't make you money, system do. Mistake number two, no clear strategy. Most beginners think I will grab an affiliate link, post it, and make money. But affiliate marketing does not work like that. It's a system. You need to drive traffic to the funnel. Then you need to build trust. Then you need to sell the offer. If you don't have a system, you won't get conversions. Mistake number three, promoting everything. One day you promote hosting, next day crypto, then a random course. Result? Audience get confused. Trust drops. Sales zero. So, rule is pick one niche and become known for it. Mistake number four, not building an audience. Most beginners try to sell immediately, but no one knows you yet. Affiliate marketing is a trust game. You need to build an audience first through YouTube, Instagram, or an email list, then you promote. Mistake number five, expecting quick money. The most dangerous mindset, expecting fast result. Affiliate marketing is not a lottery. It requires consistency, content, and systems. If you don't see result in 30 to 60 days, most people quit. Mistake number six, no funnel. This is huge. Sending people directly to an affiliate link is a big mistake. Instead, do this. First, create a landing page, then capture their email, provide them value through email marketing, and then promote. This is the difference between beginners and professionals. Mistake number seven, copy paste content of others. Using the same reels, same captions, same strategies as everyone else doing. Result, no unique identity and thus no growth. The solution is share your own experience, show your real journey. So now the question is what you should do instead. If you want to do this the right way, follow this simple roadmap. Choose one niche like SaaS, AI, or online business, e-com, whatever you want. Create content consistently, especially short form videos during early days. Step 3, build a simple funnel. Step 4, promote 1 to 2 trusted products. Step 5, stay consistent for at least 90 days. The secret to success in affiliate marketing is simple. Less tool, more execution. The simpler you keep it, the faster you grow. If you want me to help you build your own affiliate system, check the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical video like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.